Flick it back to the top, let me come again.